All right, here's another interesting project. Absorbent rubber gym mats that I sprayed with a high alkaline, very popular carpet pre-spray. Worked in with a microfiber mop with scrub strips. Wanded it. Did the same thing in the room next door in a non-absorbent, more of a vinyl mat. Worked great, but in here you can see the streaking. So over here I took slightly more alkaline pre-spray and with just a towel rubbed this area, and with no dwell time whatever, towel came up filthy. So I admit I should have scrubbed it with something first, but I don't recall doing that in the past. It's come out fine, so I'm going to do a little test before I hot water it all over again. I'm going to spray some neutral cleaner through the OP on a very clean bonnet and see what happens. Okay, you can see how absorbent it is, darker, bluer. I went over a couple passes. Let's see what that bonnet looks like. Definitely getting some dirt off of there. Take a closer look at the texture. So even though I was cleaning it like 500 psi, I was screaming heat. Much like a car that you take to the car wash and try and take the shortcut and skip using the scrub brush, the do-it-yourself car washers, I should say, and you try and do it all with a pressure gun. Certain types of soils just aren't going to come off without agitation. And there you go. But boy, I tell you what, cleaning a rubber floor with this Phoenix, man, it's as smooth as running a 175. I wish all glue-down carpet had a pad this thick under it. All right, part of the experimentation here continues in that I put a blue microfiber under there, and while it's coming out better, I can still see a little bit of streaking. So I'm going to try some Harvard Bone Dry, which I know is a great crystallizer, and that's all I got on the truck for as far as end caps go right now. And if it's not going to leave a residue on the carpet, shouldn't leave a residue on this rubber mat. I'm going to see if I can get a little better cleaning action. All right, so put on a fresh cotton pad. Very little vibration. And let's see what it looks like. It's all right, well, that's doing the trick. I've done there, the center, need to do over there. But the microfibers are working good. The problem is these microfibers are 17s, as is that driver. And you got this much overlap. If it were to slip off and those bristles hit this pad, that would not be a good thing. All right, there's the last section. You can see the streaking. Let's hit it.